And now to a NewsNation exclusive as our crews continue to uncover the stunning tactics used by some of the world's most dangerous criminals. Officials we've spoken with now say the Mexican cartel using drone disruptors to interfere with efforts to secure our southern border. Let's bring in border correspondent Ali Bradley live for us in Houston with a new alert for the men and women on the front lines of this crisis. So Ali, bring us up to speed on this latest cartel tactic.
Yeah, hey, Nichole, it seems like we're always one step behind these transnational criminal organizations. This time around, this alert was sent out from the Laredo sector, but it was distributed border-wide, showing that the Cartel del Noreste, is actually using these device disruptors to counter U.S. drones. So what we can tell you here is that this alert states that the device can actually detect nearby unmanned aircraft systems. It can disrupt the signal between the operator and the drone. Now, this is what happens. The loss in signal will result in aircraft failure, and that drone will crash. Images shared that were found on a seized CDN member's cell phone are what you're looking at here right now. So how exactly do these work? Well, drone jammers send strong signals to the same frequency as a drone's control signals, which drowns out the communication between the drone and its operator. A clear problem, obviously, that causes the drone to lose control or become non-functional. Drone jammers can be stationary devices mounted or built into gun-like devices. They can radiate their signal in a cone or 360 degrees. Got a pretty good reach there. Now, the most effective drone jammers can work from up to about a mile away. They're more effective as the pilot's remote gets further from the drone, though. These jammers can be used as a second line of defense in conjunction with drone interceptors. If a drone jammer slows a drone down, it can make it easier for an interceptor to take it down. The Border Patrol Union tells me that it's frustrating, but it's not surprising.
It's almost a knee-jerk reaction by the agency on something that they should have been looking into a long time ago. And it takes me back to, my argument of when I get upset over the caravans. When you hear caravans coming, the agency's aware of them, but again, they don't do nothing to prepare. It's just a knee-jerk reaction. And here we have a bulletin that goes out and says, hey, be careful. Okay, well, they should be careful anyway. What are you doing as an agency to try to stop this, try to prevent this, or try to interdict individuals that obviously have better technology than us because they don't have a budget that they have to adhere to?
Okay, so Nichole, law enforcement along the southern border, from Border Patrol to Texas DPS, they're using drones as well, but they're strictly in a surveillance capacity. What they're doing is they're flying those drones up. They're able to see and locate where the smugglers are, where they're operating from, and they're able to even disrupt some of those drones. So basically, the cartel is using our tactics on us. Nichole.
All right, Ali Bradley live for us in Houston. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.